All right, our next stop is a boat ride to Old Town Dubrovnik.
Ready for the boat.
Ready for the boat? One of the top sports here in Croatia, other than soccer or football, as Europeans call it, is water polo. Water polo is very big in the country, and Croatia actually has a very, very good water polo team. If you ask me, football is the real word for soccer, not soccer. Sorry, America. Sedmero. Dubrovnik, yeah, Old Town. Stari grad. Hvala. You're good, you're good. All right, that was quick. Quick boarding. It's good, huh? We got some locals in the area. Svi ovdje iz Hrvatske iz ovog mjesta. Osijek, mi smo iz Amerike sad, a živimo u Bosni i kraj Grčke. Šta je bilo? Došli malo, da. Da vidimo Dubrovnik. Game of Thrones. Moja žena sela da dođe. Ja. It's Phoenix, King's Landing, here we come. We're getting some big turbulence here. We are getting some huge waves. The drivers look very young. Huh? Yeah, they're 13 and 12. This is their first ride out to sea. Everybody's gonna start throwing up on this boat. Sorry. That was a big wave, man. The next stop.
Next stop?
Hey, Chewy, we're not getting out here.
Yeah, sorry, I'm gonna fall on my ass.
Alright, so in front of us we see the old city walls dating back to hundreds of years. That old stone tower up here was part of a system of watchtowers around Dubrovnik that protected it back in the day from invaders. Alright, here's Dubrovnik in front of us, the old town, old city walls. During the war in the 90s, Dubrovnik was attacked and there was large parts of it were destroyed as it was bombed at the start of the war. It's been fixed up very nicely though. And there's a basketball court right next to the old wall. Welcome to Old Town. As you can see, there's still a lot of stuff being fixed up. A lot of the older buildings.